JC, how are you, Baba? How are you? JC is a visitor, regular visitor. I always feed. JC. JC. Asus. This is a stray cat. I always feed, but she is the only stray cat who's allowed to come and visit us. Diba, JC? JC. I love you. You love me? JC. Did you eat, my love? JC, I see. Gusto niya yan. She loves it. You be good boy. Good girl, ha? Good girl ikaw, ha? JC. JC. See? Oh, what's wrong? JC. JC? Huh? What's wrong? Come here. Come on. You play along. You tag along with them. Play with them. See? Oh, shh. Wait. Be good. JC. See, you have so many playmates. Someone is cleaning the butt. JC? Be good, huh? Be good. Good girl. Oops. No. You will stay here overnight. Come on. You don't want, JC? Cannot be. Come here, JC. Chase. Come on. Lika. JC. Shh. Come here. Come on. Come here. Daddy. Shh, JC. Come on. Stay here with me. Come on. Come here, Baba. Oh, you don't wanna. Come on. Come here, Daddy. I'm cooking something. You come here. Come on, JC. Come on, JC. Shh. Cheese. JC. Hello. My JC. Come on. Yeah, where are you? JC. Dudu. How is your dinner, huh? How is your dinner? Huh? Do you love your dinner? Okay. You stay here, huh? You stay here. JC. I gave her by the name of JC. Because she looks like JC in the Don't Stop Meowing. JC. Cheese. JC. See, JC. She is actually a stray in my previous house. There. But she followed me when I moved to another house. Chase. See? That's how she is. Why is this? JC. Cheese. Cheese. Cheesy. I always remember so sweet afternoon. Ayaw mag-connect in places like
Sandali. Oo, sandali. Ako mo lang ang bag. Oo. Meron akong kambag. Oo, ito na. Nung
JC. There, hi. Shh. Chakaruray. Chaka. Coco. Come here, Coco. Coco. Shh. Coco. Lucio. Shh. Lucio. What are you doing there? Lucio? Ba. Shh. Go down. Lucio. Naughty ha? Naughty, naughty two of you. Tuta, come on. Tutu. Come down, Tuta. Come. Nga. Nga. You want something, Kuku? Tuta? I already give you a treats ha. You just had your dinner. Later before you sleep, one more treat. Tutu. Tutu. Alive with my cats. See? Ashing. Are you happy, Ash Ash? Oh, good. Good girl. You should be happy, okay? We are all happy. And you, Chasey? How are you? Uh-huh. What's happened to your eyes? Why it's like that? Nothing? Oh, it's okay na. It's open. You will sleep, huh? Good night? Alright. Good night. Sleep well. Asus. You sleep well, ha, Baba? Sleep well. Clean yourself first. Bye. Tutu. Tuta. Tuta, tuta. Tutu. Tuta. She is playing alone. See? That's the perks of having cats. Cats is my companion. They are making me happy. They relieve all my stress. If I am already stressed out, they know if I'm sad. They know if I'm happy. They are all there. Especially this one. Ash Ash is always there. She loves to look at me when I'm sleeping. Ash Ash. And also Chakaruray. Chakaruray. Chaka. Hi, Chaka. Chaka is a black cat. She's already a senior cat. Like Ash Ash. Shing Shing. You're a senior cat, Ash Ash. Good night, JC. JC. Kaliwali. Alright. Night night. Shh! Bubu! Buba! This one is a naughty cat. Oh! Oh! Naughty, naughty. Very naughty. Naughty? Yala. Good night, everybody. See? She is an ahi. Buba is naughty. This little one here is a very naughty. Ay, Ay, naughty.